Hey friends, if Windows cannot find GPEDIT.MSC on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So I'll show you what happens. Press the Windows key and the R key together and try to open this. It says Windows cannot find it. Is this what the error exactly is? If yes, then I should tell you that your system is either a home version or professional version, but not an enterprise version. Even if it's a professional version, it's not connected to the domain. So you can check this, go to system information and then check the version. It says Windows 11 home single language. So in this case, you will definitely get the answer Windows cannot find GPEDIT.MSC because your version does not support the group policy editor. So as an alternative, you can use the registry editor for localized changes to your system. You can use this tool instead. Okay, you cannot use that tool, but you can use this tool instead. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.